Welcome back to Tech TV. I'm here at 5G World and I'm with Ingeborg at the moment. And so Ingeborg, are you enjoying 5G World so far?
Yes, I'm having a good time, and I think there's a lot of people here that I can learn a lot from.
Can you tell us more about Telenor Norway's 5G work so far?
Yeah, I think I will say we are really busy these days, right? Last year we had our first pilot launch in a small city in Norway with some very compelling and cool use cases, both consumer and business. This year we are then scaling this. We are doing first one city, small city, and that's actually a swap. Then we will do overlay testing on very specific use cases, and then ending up launching then in Trondheim, which is the third biggest city in Norway, kind of the technology capital. Again, inviting businesses and consumers in to join us in this trialing, as I would call it. So we see 2019 is really a year of learning, and not only technology learning, but also how do we create these new ecosystems, how do we create the new partnerships, how do we create these business opportunities that will then bring the best of the 5G into our business.
That all sounds very exciting. You just spoke about the rocky road to 5G SA. Can you tell us more about the biggest challenges 5G is bringing and how you are trying to overcome them?
Yeah, I think that as an industry, we of course have all of us interesting discussions around the different use cases and how to make those interesting. But what I talked about today is more about what do we do with the core network, right? How do we bring the 5G core? Because we do know that in order to really utilize 5G, we need not only the RAN part, but we need 5G core, we need edge computing as well. So, and I was focusing on the core because we know that we are starting with non-standalone. We know that we will need to take certain steps. And for us in Telenor Norway, we have a very big modernization of our full mobile core ahead of us, which will be then the basis and the platform for 5G going ahead.
That's great. And what is the biggest 5G opportunity for Telenor Norway? Is it the consumer, enterprise, which industry specific?
I think we need to divide it into short term and long term. Short term, still the consumer plays a very, very important role, because we are also now going to decommission some legacy technology, and we will then use 5G in order to bring fixed wireless access as a great replacement product for all DSL customers. We also see we get this tsunami of data that we need to cater for because it's just moved from legacy technology into the 5G world. Also 4G will be used though. So that's short term. Long term, I think we need to get our arms around the enterprise part. That is where this fantastic opportunity lies, but that's also where the most uncertainty is right now.
That's great. And my final question to you is, what did you enjoy the most from your operator keynote panel this morning?
I think it is good to realize that we are a lot of operators now more or less in the same stage. We have the same questions, we have the same concerns, but when we talk together and when we discuss together, I think that we can bring some kind of knowledge that will help all of us to move forward in a good way.